The Air Force has always been about change. From its inception, air power introduced a new dimension to battlespace strategy. America achieved dominance in the skies. But now, that dominance is being challenged. The United States Air Force is feeling a renewed sense of urgency.
We have a window of opportunity to accelerate change that's required for our Air Force and for our nation. We must focus on joint warfighting concept, enabled by joint all-domain command and control, and rapidly move forward with digital, low-cost, high-tech warfighting capabilities.
But how do you accelerate change? Dr. William Conley, Chief Technology Officer at Mercury Systems, has been working this problem for years.
Our national investment in aerospace technology drove generations of advances in everything from computer chips to advanced materials. That seed money years ago still pays dividends today, enabling things we take for granted: the internet, cloud computing, precision guidance, and voice control in consumer devices. These technologies evolve continuously, while military systems get discrete updates.
If we don't change, if we fail to adapt, we risk losing. We risk losing in a great power competition, we risk losing in a high-end fight, we risk losing quality airmen, losing budget dollars, our credibility, and aspects of our national security.
One commonly used measure for the rate of technological change is Moore's Law, which states that computer processing power and capacity doubles every 18 months. Today, with artificial intelligence, we're seeing something new. AI processing speeds are doubling every 3 to 4 months. To put that in perspective, if DoD technology refresh rates don't accelerate, our adversaries' AI processing capabilities could exceed ours by 100 times in as little as 2 years.
Digital technology can help us create an entirely new reality for acquisition, one in which we are more competitive against the adversaries we face and against the trends that are driving the world. We must be agile. The Air Force and Space Force must be agile. There are too many possible futures for us to pick one and build a force that's geared to defeat it. Whether it's artificial intelligence or ubiquitous drones or something that we really aren't prepared for, like gene editing and human augmentation, there's no telling what the future can hold.
At Mercury, we embrace the Air Force's vision of agile and adaptive infrastructure built on digital technology, as outlined in the Advanced Battle Management System program and the concepts driving Joint All-Domain Command and Control. We see them as the next logical step in modern warfare, a global, real-time Internet of Military Things. To build it, however, our defense infrastructure must change. We must adhere to the following 4 principles. Open architectures, embedded security, agile software and hardware development, and adapting commercial technologies for military missions. There is simply no better way to accelerate development, simplify integration, achieve interoperability, avoid vendor lock, and maintain air supremacy.
With Chief Brown and Chief Raymond telling the entire Air Force and Space Force we must accelerate change or lose, we have to do our part in acquisition. And that means fielding war-winning systems as fast as today and tomorrow's adversaries and tech trends require.
At Mercury, we're leveraging our position at the intersection of high tech and defense to make the latest technologies profoundly more accessible. As open standards pioneers and industry leaders in R&D investments, we are committed to helping the Air Force deploy new capabilities at the speed of relevance. These AI-enabled systems, built on open architectures using open standards with embedded security, provide the agility and adaptability necessary to sustain overmatch. All with the intent of making the world a safer and more secure place, which is at the heart of our purpose: innovation that matters.